A few weeks ago, Apple had their 2024 WWDC event where they talked about some new features and software updates coming to their devices, and one of it is iOS 18. I've been using iOS 18 for about a week and a half now, so this is a video talking about some of my favorite features about this new update. Alright, so let's start with some customization features. iPhone users can now move apps wherever they like on their home screen. Such a wonderful time to add this in 2024. Anyways, speaking of home screen, the home screen is now customizable. Once you hold down on the screen and tap edit, then customize, you can edit app icons. You have dark, light, and tinted mode. Dark mode gives app icons a dark look and the opposite goes for light mode, but tinted mode is a little bit different. You get to adjust the color of app icons to match your wallpaper or taste. There's also an eyedropper tool for getting really precise with choosing colors if the slider isn't giving you what you want. There are also options for a larger icons with no text or a smaller icon with text. We can now finally change the two accustomed icons on the lock screen. Just hold down on the lock screen, click customize, then lock screen, then you can easily change the icons that are there. For me, I'm going to be putting the notes and ChatGPT application just in case I get an idea and I don't want to lose it. There are also some very obvious changes to the control center, and to be honest, I do not know how to feel about that because in my own opinion, some of those changes aren't really necessary. When you scroll down from the top right side of your screen to the control center, from the first look of things, you can tell it's really different because there are now sections in the control center. On the first section, you have your usual things like turning on and turning off your data, airplane mode, orientation lock, and battery saver. And on the second section, you have your media play page. On the third section, you have the same cellular control that you saw on the first section, but just in a wider and larger format. On the control center, you can adjust icon size and you can also add new section if you want to. The reason why I'm a bit controversial about the control center is that I feel Apple just ran out of ideas and the only thing they could just think of was just, add more sections to the control center. Because I don't know if it's just me, but it just makes more sense to be able to access all your controls just in one panel instead of making everything large and, just scrolling to adjust or brighten or pause my music or something. Yeah. So when you scroll down to the control center and hold on the power icon, you can now easily turn off your iPhone. And my favorite iOS 18 feature is Math Notes. And I know Math Notes was announced during the iPad presentation, but it turns out that Math Notes is also available on the iPhones. When you open the calculator app, everything looks pretty normal. So you click the calculator icon on the bottom left corner and switch to Math Notes. All you just have to do is write down the equation or the question, and once you put the equal sign, it gives you the correct answer to that question in your own handwriting. It can also solve graphical questions and help you plot your graph, which is really cool. I'm also resuming back to screen about a month from now, so this feature will really come in handy for me. And these are some of so many features that comes with iOS 18. But let me know what your favorite iOS 18 feature is down in the comments below. You can also go try out the beta version of iOS 18. I'll leave a link to a tutorial down below. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.